YouTube in the building. I hope you guys are doing well. And if you were looking up what in the world is YouTube automation, which will be going on in just a few seconds, I just want to let you know that you're in the right place and I hope you enjoy the video. Watch to the end of the video so I can show you how YouTube automation can make you money. This is also part 1 of the YouTube automated playlist. What's up guys, my name is Ricardo Rodriguez and welcome to Tube Great. Subscribe to Tube Great if you're looking to grow your YouTube channel or you're trying to make money with YouTube. Check out my YouTube Freedom Blueprint linked in the description below if you want to learn how to make money with YouTube without even showing your face. So YouTube automation is basically running your YouTube videos from a business standpoint rather than from a creator standpoint. You're not necessarily being the one creating the content, other people are making the content for you. And I'll go into step by step on how this works. This is perfect for people who are not even comfortable with showing their face in front of the camera or they just don't want to show themselves within their own content. So if you want to make money with YouTube without even showing your face, this is the right system for you. Step 1 is niche exploration. Imagine yourself hunting for a deer, you know it's hunting season and you're trying to look up for the next deer to spot up and you know take them out. Same thing with selecting your niche. You got to look at all the different types of niches, right? So you have to go through all the bushes, the trees, you know, to find out which niche is perfect for you. I recommend selecting a niche that's going to be evergreen, so it's not really a trend. It's always going to be something that people are looking for, and it is a niche that you're passionate about. So once you selected your niche, boom, you're ready to start creating your YouTube journey. I would also recommend weigh out your options to see which niche better suits you. So have fun exploring the different options and seeing which one can you make the most money with and you are most interested about. Step number 2, script writing. You don't have to be a poet, you don't have to be Shakespeare in order to be a great script writer. You can do this absolutely free yourself, writing your own script. The longer your script is, the longer your video will be. It also doesn't take a genius to be a great script writer. You can literally just look up other videos to get more ideas of what your content is going to be about, or you could simply look information up on Google, read some articles and collect information from this article, that article, and others to include into your video. Step number 3, you got to do a voiceover to narrate your video. I recommend selecting a different voice, a different tone from your standard voice. This helps you create a different experience for your viewer. You creating a different voice or just, you know, exploring different voices, different tones within you narrating your video, you can do a better job of keeping your audience intrigued and engaged within your content. Step 4, find the background for your video. This can be a number of different options. You can look on Pixels or Pixabay for free cardstock. It could literally be a picture of whatever your niche is related to or whatever that specific video is about, and that could simply be your background as you're narrating and giving information on your content. You can also have some A-roll, whatever your video is about, you know, just simply edit that A-roll and that could be your background. You can also do different animations, so this could be cartoon style video. This can also be just different animations to include within your video as a background. It can just simply be, you know, characters just talking to one another or having some basic motions, and as long as you're doing a great job narrating, your video will work out smoothly. That's basically the entire process of your video creation. You can be the next YouTube star without necessarily showing your face. And everyone believes you need to just press record, show your face, you know, vlog to the world, or just show everyone your living room and your kitchen and whatever you do, right? But that's basically the old way of being successful with YouTube, which is still relevant, it still works, but this is even a better way to make money with YouTube, and this suits best for people who technically don't even want to show their face in their content. So comment down below in the comment section if you guys have any questions. I'll do my best by trying to respond to each and every one of you. So now this is phase 2. You have 2 different options on how you want to go about your YouTube automation process. Option 1, you can do the work yourself, however long it takes you to do the process of writing a script, creating a voiceover, and doing the animations, or finding free cardstock. You can do it absolutely free yourself. All you have to do is put forth the time. Or option 2, you can pay someone else or multiple other creators to help you within this process. You pay them and they do the work for you. So the thing that I like about the YouTube automation process is that you have wiggle room, right? You have options. So you could start off with doing the work yourself, you know, start making some content within yourself. 30 minutes, make a video a day or 2 videos a day and start uploading at your own pace. Or you can have the freedom to pay someone else to do the work for you, and that frees up your free time so you can focus on other things. I personally enjoy my free time, so I would rather pay someone else to do the work for me, and I get to just focus on my attention onto other things, making my YouTube channel even more successful. Like the video if you're enjoying the content so far. And if you made it up to this point in the video, I want to share with you the secret how YouTube automation can make you money. So phase 3 is getting monetized with YouTube. You can apply for the YouTube partnership program, and all that means is you get to put your videos up to become monetized, and you get money from YouTube through your ad revenue. So as long as people are watching your videos, they watch the ads, you're getting paid per 1,000 views. There's even more ways that you can make money with the YouTube automation process. You can become an affiliate marketer and add some affiliate links. You can promote your own products, whether that's physical or digital products. You can sell your own merchandise, whether that's, t-shirts, hoodies, bracelets, accessories. And you can also accept endorsement deals or sponsorships from other big companies who want to push their products through your YouTube channel. So I basically just gave you the magic key to unlock all these doors on how to become successful with YouTube, how to make money with YouTube through YouTube automation. So as long as you have this magical key, you will just unlock all these doors, these different doors. The options are, whatever caters to you, whatever suits you best, but you will now have options in order to make money with your YouTube automation channel. The great thing about this is you're not just tied down to one way of making money. It's a system that will pay you on autopilot. That's it. That's all I have for you guys for this video. Watch this video right here if you want to watch part 2 to the YouTube automated playlist. Check out my YouTube Freedom Blueprint, linked in the description below, if you want my #1 recommended way to make money with YouTube without even showing your face. That's all I have for you guys today. Peace out.